Greetings from Holmes Community College. In this presentation, we will review how to submit your Holmes admissions application and provide helpful resources when enrolling at Holmes Community College. To get started, visit holmescc.edu and click on the Enroll Now link located at the top left portion of your screen. New students will select the second option, New to Holmes CC or Not Sure, and click here to start. Here you will enter your social security number, date of birth, and the term that you plan on attending Holmes. For a list of terms available, select the Select a Term drop-down menu for more options. To begin the application process and create your unique login ID and PIN number, click on the Apply Now ticket. On this screen, you will see a detailed list of items needed in order to successfully meet the admissions requirements. These will also be outlined in our live Enroll Now admissions tool that will be covered later in this presentation. To create your ID and PIN, select the Click Here link. Your login can be up to 9 alphanumeric characters, and your PIN number can be up to 6 numeric characters. After creating these items, you are ready to log in. Now you are ready to choose your application type from the drop-down menu. To select the admissions term, select the term from the drop-down menu. Once you have entered your information, proceed to Fill Out Application. On this screen, you will see an admissions application checklist. If at any point in completing the application you need to stop, select Finish Later, and your information will be saved for a later completion date. To proceed, select the Student Address and Phone section, and you will make your way through each section of the application. As you move through the application, you will have the opportunity to select your planned program of study. If you are unsure of a program of study, it is recommended to select General Studies. On the high school section of the application, you will be prompted to look up your high school code. Notice at the top of the screen, you will find codes for GED, homeschool, out-of-state, and international students. To search for your local high school, start by selecting the Look Up High School Code link. To continue searching for your high school code, you will be prompted to search by state. You will then be able to select your high school from a list of schools in your area. At the end of the application, you will be prompted to agree to the terms. You're almost there. Once you have successfully filled out each section, you may select Application is Complete. If you do not see a red check mark next to each checklist item, you will be able to go back and enter any information missing. If your admissions application was successfully completed, you will receive the success message. You are now ready to click on Enroll Now. If your admissions application was not successfully completed, you will receive the errors message. Please contact the admissions office for assistance to resolve any issues. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your admissions application. Holmes Community College offers a live enrollment checklist to help our students check on their admission status at any point in the registration process. To log into the Holmes Enroll Now checklist, enter your social security number, date of birth, select the term, and click Submit. After you submit your campus choice, you will be directed to our live enrollment page. The live enrollment page is automatically updated anytime a student completes an item needed in order to register. This can be accessed anytime by selecting the Enroll Now link on the Holmes website. Since we are in a test account, the personal information you see is unique to each student. Your information will be different, so keep that in mind. Today, we are using our mascots account to show you around the enrollment tool. His name is Major, and hopefully you'll get to see him on campus soon. At the top of the enrollment screen, students will be able to locate their My Holmes ID number and information related to their program of study. You will also see your academic advisor's information should you want to contact them directly for any questions. You will also notice the legend. This is important to students. As you review your admissions account, We will use these icons to let you know if you're missing any items or to verify that you have met that requirement. Next, you can set up your My Holmes account. This will give access to the student's portal where you can access your Holmes email account and other important information needed while enrolled at Holmes. Click on the Set Reset Password link to create your login information. Notice that your username will be provided for you for this process. In step 1, you can print a copy of your acceptance letter. Check on any holds, update your emergency contact information, and check to see if we have received transcripts and test scores. As these items are submitted, the Enroll Now link will update to let you know that they have been received. In step 2, you will find helpful links for federal aid. Step 3 will link you through our virtual orientation videos. Once you have watched the videos and selected the Agree and Continue button at the bottom of the link, you have successfully completed this step. Once sections 1 through 3 have a yes next to them, you should then move on to section 4. If a yes appears next to Are you ready to be advised, then you are ready for academic advising. Holmes offers a virtual option when it comes to registering for classes. If you prefer attending an on-site registration session, you can do so. For those who prefer virtual advisement, you can submit the online advising request form. For those who prefer virtual advisement, you can move forward with this process by selecting the advising request form in step 2 of section 4. In step 5, you will see steps needed to obtain your student ID and your parking decal. For additional assistance, we want to direct you to our resource page. Starting back on the Holmes page, holmescc.edu, click the drop-down menu on the upper right-hand side of the page and then select Registration. Once on the registration page, you will find information about registration dates across the district. We would also like to point out the Need Help/Resource link in the menu. This page is full of helpful tutorials that will assist students during the registration process and beyond. Once you find what you need help with, select the link and a detailed step-by-step tutorial will be provided. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the admissions application and helpful resources that have been provided. We hope you will join us on a Holmes campus soon.